It's time to trade in the simulator again. I'm Josh. This is the $100,000 account challenge, and this is day 15. And before we get going, remember that trading is risky, and so is whiskey. I don't know, I just wanted to say that. This is Eva Trades, and we're going to get going here, taking a look at the progress first thing. Go to the website, $100,000 account challenge, and I'm up $38,495. So I am pretty close to hitting 40,000. And that's not bad in 15 days if we can do that today. Today's going to be tricky. Why? Look at all the stocks on the gap scan. That's a lot of stocks. When you have that many stocks, how do you narrow in on the most obvious? The answer is you really don't, and nobody really has one favorite that they're all looking at, I suppose you could say. I mean, I don't know. I pulled some stocks off the gap scan here and a few off the Hive Day Momentum scanner. I've got 3 here and I've got 3 over here. So I've got to watch 6 of these. There were more I could have put up. So the attention of the market is spread out across many different stocks. So this is going to make it a little more challenging to trade. Maybe the volume won't be quite as strong, but we'll keep an eye out and we'll try to find that one that's moving. But for now, I'll just mark out some support levels. Do what we can to prepare and get ready. And then we wait and watch. Let's look at the larger time frame. And again, Thinkorswim has my charts down here at the bottom. Get all those back up top. So look at the 2-bar pullback on the hourly time frame. This one has a nice stair-step up pattern. On the 15-minute, we have a support there. A 2-bar pullback here. It's an inside bar bear break is what it is, really. Kind of the same with this one. And we pulled back into this level here, bouncing off of 1060. Wow, I don't know if it's just me, but this music, the background music in my headphones is a little distracting. I guess it was just me. Okay. There we go. I had to make some changes to my settings, so I didn't save them yesterday. So we have declining volume on this pullback. Let's get away from the larger time frames. I shouldn't even be looking at those because I like to trade the shorter time frames. So I'm going to get rid of this line. What time is it? So we have 2 minutes till the bell. Better hurry up here. Nice. You have a descending line here. So there's a channel dropping down. I'm more interested in support levels and resistance levels than I am those descending lines, but I do put them in there sometimes as guides and references. So here we consolidated on the 5-minute. We got us an inside bar on the 5-minute, pulling back here. And you got a double top, boom, boom. Tried to break, boom, broke through. Now we're gonna maybe look for a back test down to that level. Now we look over here. This one, I don't know. Support there. This one's pretty extended. Wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back a little. I'm stuttering. I'm tongue stuttering a little bit. Mara and GOVX. These are my least favorite, so I put them over here, and I'll just glance over at them. This is the main screen. This is where I'm really going to be watching. You can see on the website what my computer setup looks like. This is it here. I don't typically use these 3 screens over here anymore. I find that that's just too many stocks to be watching. This is 9 stocks, and if I'm watching 9 stocks at a time, it's difficult to really trade with any kind of consistency because I'm just all over the place. So 6 is enough. I prefer 3, honestly. So 10 seconds till the market opens. I've got all my stop loss parameters set up, meaning my orders are ready to go for when I want to place trades. Can't trade the first 1 minute, so we sit and wait. BBBY coming up to that pink line. Looks like the platform's frozen a bit. See the candles kind of stopping and pausing, and then resuming. Just looking, seeing if there's anything I might be interested in after this first 1 minute candle closes. So pulling back to that support on BNSO, that's a 15-minute support. I don't know if I want to. Perfect. That was nice. Now my stop loss is a little tight, so I'm going to widen it out now that I've hit my daily goal. Just like that. Boom. And there it's pulling back now. I want to jump in here. I can't tell where it's trading because everything's frozen. It's at 728. The reason I want to jump in is because it's a pullback. See, the candle range is 16. My stop would be at the low right there. The volume is a little light. Let's see if we get any follow through on that. I'm risking giving back enough to negate my daily goal. I'm up. Boy, I don't like the way that's frozen up like that. No, I was just going to sell it, but now I don't know if I want to. I'm going to buy BBBY right there. It's breaking through the high. Oh man, it's frozen up too. It's really difficult to trade these when they freeze up like this. I'm gonna sell that. That's unfortunate. Oh, I'm in a trade over here. My apologies that I didn't. So I'm gonna just exit right there. Oh, I probably should stay in that because that's looking good right now actually. But things are just like locking up. Let's look over here real quick. I jumped in a trade over here. I was in a trade over on the other computer, two trades over there. So that's why I didn't jump over here and show you this. But where I got in was this candle was red and it was pulling back right here to the EMA. So I jumped in it, and as it surged up, I sold it for a cool $2,300. Momentum is here today. Let me tell you. This is some momentum. This is pretty good. So Mara, I had some success on. BBBY, a little bit of success. I'm going to take a moment to stop here and look at some stop loss parameters. If the charts can stop freezing up here. I might trade some more, but yeah, I'm going to wait for that. I mean, I can look at the price ladder to see where the price is at, but I'm the kind of person that I like to look at patterns. If I can't see the candlestick patterns, it makes it harder for me to trade. So BNSO kind of giving it up there. That's more of a pullback than I'd want to see. Now you'd be looking at maybe the hourly time frame and maybe drop to this pivot and get rid of these lines. Nice pullback here. Let's get rid of some of these lines. There are too many of them. Breaking through that high. I'm going to get rid of the pinkness. Get rid of all of them. Why not? So we do have this pivot here. Okay. So now a new 5-minute candle. Everything is pulling back right now. You look over here. Those are all pulling back. This one's pulling back. This one is trading below the VWAP. This is the only one that looks kind of good right now, and I'm still not sure. Candle range is 39 cents, so I would set my stop parameter to 40 cents. This could be a bear flag. Excuse me one moment. Oh, dang. Look at that. I'll try to buy it for the breakout. It's still frozen. Still frozen. Let's see. Can we break 1250? I'm going to sell there, and I'm going to sell right there. For cool. $1,175. Yeah, the way the candles froze there, I don't know. We got the Momo today. Momo momentum. So I'm really impressed with the way I've been trading on this $100,000 challenge. I mean, this is really impressive. You look at this. This challenge is going really well. Look at it, just straight up on this P&L curve, on my profit and loss curve. Straight up. I mean, I'm going to be done with this before long and moving on to trading real money. I wonder if BBBY might get halted. Yeah, I want this to be the last challenge that I do before I start trading real money in a large account. It's the last leg of my back testing, 2363, and I'm glad you could be here to share in the experience. So I'm up 5,300 on the day. Now over here we have Mara making a move back up. I don't know how much I trust it really after that big pullback. Could buy right there off of that support. See if it breaks higher. Taking its time. I'll sell it there just for a little bit of money. A couple $100 win. So BBBY pulling back to a really interesting level here. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get in it. I'm setting up a stop loss parameter on that, and I can't see where it's at. Oh, it's already breaking out. You can't see that on the chart, but it pulled back to 1239 and it's taken off. It's already up at 1281 right now. See that? See how frozen those candles are? That's what I was looking for. It's at 1285 now. I'm not going to trade it just because I can't see it. Oh man, that's probably going to go. Could buy a pullback there at 1277. I'm really bummed out that this is freezing up so much because I could be making a killing right here. I really wanted to get in there. Not only was it a psychological level of 1250, but it was the pivot that it broke, you know, the high of day. Back test of that. Sometimes the Thinkorswim simulator, it just freezes up. Yeah, we can look over here. See, Mara did actually end up breaking out there. So we've got us in equilibrium. You could certainly buy that right there. Buy that little dip. And look for, you know, you got the high of the move, low of the pullback, lower high, higher low. Be up profit wise right now. You're sitting up green if you've gotten in down here. Declining volume on the pullback, increasing volume on the move up. And so there's a bear flag over here on BBBY. Bear flag, bear break. See if the bulls can hold that and push back up. Get the immediate follow through here that I would have liked to have seen. Starting to break through the VWAP here on SOXS. Oh, and look at BNSO. Hitting $12 there. Looks really good on the 15 minute. I'm going to buy that. Oh, shiminy Christmas. That was bad. Okay. Wow. Got myself caught in one there. Well, that's giving back half of my profit there. 255. So I'm up. Let's see how much I'm up on the day. I mean, I'm still at my daily goal. I hated that I gave back that much profit. It doesn't happen very often. Minus 571. So I'm up $3,159 on the day. And after that big drop like that, I'm done. I'm not going to trade anymore. And that's going to put me up over $40,000 in 15 days here in the simulator, backtesting my strategy, getting ready to trade real money. Looking forward to that probably in December. That's the plan. We'll see you next time here at Eva Trades. I'm Josh, and have a good day.